morning everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are all having a great day so far. If you are new to my channel, I do review makeup from high-end and drugstore. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. However, today we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. It arrived this morning. I was actually in the middle of getting ready and I was kind of shocked that it arrived so early on in the month. Right now it is only May 6th. I really wanted to just jump right into unboxing it. That way I can get this video up for you guys as soon as possible. I'm gonna put on whatever I can. Obviously skincare right now is out of the question. I do have foundation on as well as my brows and a little bit of mascara, but anything else that we do receive that's makeup wise, I'm gonna throw it on my face. Let me know if you guys have a preference. Like, do you want to see me put them on, or are you more interested in actually seeing what's inside of the box? Let me know so I can adjust accordingly. The first item in my box is AnnieKoyo Roma Truffle Therapy. It's a pure oil that's made in Italy. You do get two choices in the premium box that you can pick from, like a variety of different items. This is one of the things that I picked. I just love facial oils. They're just so nice. So I picked up this one. I think the second choice was another skincare item, but I just can't remember what it is, honestly. This is what it looks like outside of the box. It comes with a little pump. And again, I'm not gonna be putting this on my face, so I'm gonna show you guys on my hand what the texture itself looks like. And drop a little bit on my hand. Okay, yeah, it's just like an oil. I'm gonna see if there's a scent to it too, but it is just an oil. And it doesn't smell like truffles. It kind of smells more like fresh cut flowers. Again, like kind of like the stem, similar to like the English body oil that I got last month. But it smells really nice, and I can't wait to actually try this on my face because I'm actually running out of my facial oils from The Ordinary. So I'm gonna incorporate this into my skincare. I'll let you guys know in my next unboxing on how I feel about this Truffle Therapy Oil. Ooh, so the next product that I got in my box is another skincare item. I'm a little bit hesitant with some skincare items because 2 months ago I got a facial cream from Keys Soul Care that completely just messed up my skin. Like, I was having really good skin for a long time until I used a new cream that came in my Boxycharm. So it makes me a little bit hesitant to try out new creams, to be honest with you. But the only thing that I think that triggers my skin is dimethicone. So I'm gonna see if dimethicone is in here. I'm hoping not, because I cannot stand when they put that in skincare. It just breaks me out so bad. But I don't think I see dimethicone in here. Yes, so we are good to go. This is what it looks like outside of the box. It's by LMS. It's Superfood Midnight Facial. I really love LMS skincare. Oh my god, and it smells almost like a strawberry yogurt. It smells so good. Okay. This is the consistency of the cream. It's really rich in texture. It's super moisturizing. Oh my god, and it smells so good. I'm excited to try this. I love LMS products, so I'm so excited to incorporate this into my skincare. It's a sleeping cream too, and I absolutely adore Laneige's sleeping cream. And I can feel like this is super moisturizing, and it probably will work so well within my skin. And I love the way it smells. It's so dreamy. Ooh, so the next item I got in my box is some makeup brushes. I always love to get makeup brushes because I can't get enough of them. You know, like, having more makeup brushes means less cleaning. I have so many brushes, but I always welcome more. So it looks like we have some brushes from a brand called LOVEEEE. So there's a contour blending brush. And it's super soft. I love the way that the handle looks too. This is their contour blending brush. It's extremely soft, guys. It feels really nice on the skin, so I can't wait to use these. The next brush that was included in the set was an angled shading brush. It's so cute. I love the pink color. It kind of reminds me of these Milani lipsticks, you know? They're so cute. And I did do a review on these and swatches. So if you guys have not tried these out, they went viral on TikTok. And again, I did also swatch them, so I can link that. So if you guys are interested in seeing them, they're really pretty. I also have all of the colors in the Flora collection. But yeah, the angled shading brush is also really pretty and super soft. So I can't wait to use this too. I always love when they include brushes. The next brush that was included in here, and it's the last brush, this is now empty. It comes with a little bag. I think this is great for travel, so I will be keeping the actual bag as well. But this is the next brush that was included. It's a flat angle brush. So this is really good also for like contouring, like the cheek area, jawline. And you can also use it on the bridge of the nose. I really like this type of brush where it's like got a curve on the actual bristles because it hugs your cheeks a little bit better. And for the tip area, like right in that area, kind of where it protrudes, for me, I really like using that to contour my nose. It's kind of really great. It kind of has like a multi-use to it because you can use it for contouring all over your face, and I just really love brushes like this. Also, it has like a nice weight to it. I'm Asian, so I always think that things that weigh a little bit more always feel nicer in the hand. It's not feeling like cheap or anything. But also what I noticed is there's like a little design at the bottom of it, and it's just adorable. I think that's their logo. But yeah, I'm really happy to have more brushes in my collection, and I think they're so cute. I love the pink handles, and they're really soft, so I cannot wait to use these. Ooh, the next thing I've got in my box is a lip cream from KVD. This is their vinyl lip cream. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, my favorite foundation is one from KVD. It's the Good Apple foundation. I also love their contour palette. I love their liner. I love their lip products. I basically just love KVD. I also have their brow pomade and their setting powder. I basically have a lot of things from KVD. And I know there was a lot of drama that went down a while ago, but it's no longer owned by Kat Von D. However, what's interesting to me is that it actually still has Kat Von D's name on the lid. So anyways, this is their vinyl lip cream in the shade Dahlia, and it's got this really pretty design on it. But yeah, shades like this kind of scare me because it's so dark. But let's go ahead and throw it on the lip. And I'm gonna see what this looks like on. It's darker than what I typically wear, and I hope that it dries down a little. However, it feels more of a gloss to me. So it does say in the box that it's extreme opacity, applies like a vinyl, sets like a cream. Alright you guys, so the second last item in my box is a liquid liner. This is Lower East Side Felt Tip Liquid Liner. This is the kind of tip that it has. It looks really similar to the My Beauty brand X by Me. I hope the formulations aren't the same, but they kind of have like the same type of felt tip, and I really did not like that My Beauty brand by Me. Look how it's bleeding. It's actually one of the worst eyeliners I've ever used, but I still try to get use out of even things that doesn't work out for me. So how I use liners that don't really quite work out is I use it to color in like the lash bands on old eyelashes that have eyeshadow fallout. I hope it doesn't smear and smudge as much as the last one, but let's go ahead and take a look. So that's not actually bad as long as the liner stays put. I don't think this is super bad. Is it very pigmented? Not particularly, but did it create a pretty nice wing? I think so. It's not bad. We will see how it wears though. It's not very pigmented and I feel like the tip is a little bit hard. So if you're into that kind of hard tip, you might like this liner. The next product in my box is a Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. I'm very excited that I got this in my box. I really wanted to try this, but I never picked it up. All right, you guys, so this is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm, and I'm so happy to get this. It's so pretty. This is what it looks like. It's definitely super sparkly. Oh, really pretty. I'm gonna pop this on the inner corner of the eyes. Very pretty. So this is gonna be a favorite for sure for me. But I feel like a lot of the products that I got this month actually were so good. Oh my goodness, do you guys see? It's amazing. This is so beautiful. It definitely is like very sparkly though, so if you guys aren't into highlighters that have glitter in it, then you probably won't like this, but for me, I don't mind the glitter as long as it's fine enough, like it's not chunky glitter. Here is what it looks like on the hands. All in all, I feel like we got such a good box this month. This box is definitely a hit. I'll keep you guys posted on how these two skincare products wear, either in my next Boxycharm video or in a separate video. So if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. And also ring the notification bell, that way you guys don't miss out on my videos. And let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have a preference to whether or not I put skincare items on my face or not, or if you just want to see me apply the makeup portion. For me, I just want to create content that you guys enjoy. So yeah, let me know if there's a preference that you guys have, or you're just kind of good with anything. If you guys don't tell me in the comments, then I'm just gonna assume that just putting on the makeup part of it is fine. So yeah, if you have a preference, let me know. Otherwise, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day, guys.